To incorporate focus time into a daily routine using Reclaim AI, it's possible to set up a habit that allocates a specific time every day for focused work. This can be achieved by clicking on the Habits section, then selecting Templates and choosing the Focus Time option. If it doesn't appear immediately, it can be found by using the search function. Once selected, the habit can be customized by assigning a name, setting a priority level, such as critical, and determining the desired duration, which can range from a minimum of 2 hours to a maximum of 4 hours. It's also possible to specify the days of the week and the time of day for this focused work session. For example, setting the focus time to occur before 1 p.m. can help ensure it happens earlier in the day. Additionally, an ideal time can be designated, such as first thing in the morning. After configuring these settings, the changes can be saved, and the updated schedule can be viewed in the planner. The planner will then display the allocated focus time, which can be adjusted as needed to accommodate other high-priority tasks. By following these steps, it's possible to effectively incorporate focus time into a daily routine using Reclaim AI.